Great. I have prepared a template that will allow you to create a unique and stylish cover for your track in just a few minutes. Let me show you. We go to the project folder and install this font. Then we open the .psd file. It takes us to Photoshop, and we see the topmost layer. This one? That's the one we need. We double-click on it, agree to everything. And here we need to enter the name for our track. I write some random phrase. After finishing, press the key combination Ctrl+S to apply the changes. After everything is saved, we can close this window. We see that the text is written and placed as we need. Below the layer, we have the color layer. Here, we can change the color value for our cover. Even lower, we can add or remove the copyright notice. Once the cover is ready, we save it in JPEG format 3000 by 3000 pixels. Here, click Save, and I hope I helped you. Watch my other videos on the channel. There you will find track covers, animation templates, and design resources. And you can download the project via the link in the description. Thank you, and good luck.